entre o sucesso e a lama. Dinheiro, problemas, invejas, luxo, fama, nego, drama. Cabelo crespo e a pele escura, a ferida, a chaga, a procura da cura, nego, drama. Tenta ver e não vê nada, a não ser uma estrela longe, meio ofuscada, sente o drama. O preço, a cobrança, no amor, no ódio, a insana vingança, nego, drama. Eu sei quem trama e quem tá comigo. O trauma que eu carrego pra não ser mais um preto fudido. O drama da cadeia e favela, túmulo, sangue, sirene, choros e velas. Passageiro do Brasil, São Paulo, agonia, que sobrevive em meias honras e covardias. Periferias, vielas, cortiços, você deve...
My man Jaffers, Ray J, hear me now. Whoa. You ready to shut it down? Hey. Come on. Whoa.
In a major way, frequently, lights and cameras. Big spenders who shut it all down. Surrounded by women, VIP is the giving who they see how we living, cause we shut it all down.
Shut it all down and open up shop. VIP hot, plus the party won't stop. With a girl like you, I'll party non-stop.
Sipping with the dirty, but you know I want that.
Shoot down the ball whenever we go shop. Picture me and you in the test and go stop. Forget your past rough life, it done for.
Make we take a vacation, but you know I want that.
And girl, you are wanna know. And then we have to go. On the floor is where we click, cameras a flash. VIP we dropping.
Yeah, something special, you know, something epic. Lloyd Banks, you know, cause the nigga thuggin' on me, he don't.
Batman Scoop, Brooklyn Clan, Timberland. Batman Scoop, Brooklyn Clan, Timberland. Whatever I say, y'all gotta do. Whatever I say, y'all gotta do. Whatever I say, y'all gotta do. Y'all too.
Oh Lord, guess who's coming? Timberland, aka Field Drummers. Who gon' get it crunk like me, Timberland? Or my nigga Scoop, aka Fat Man. We guaranteed to make the party people bounce. Fellas say ho, girls say ow. Looking at the cornrows up in the club. Girl, don't be bashful, girl, back it up. Throw it, girl, like it's potent, man. Shake that ass as fast as you can. White girl, shake it like he burning from a suntan. My dog, grip it, grab it like it was a soda can. What you talking about holding back? Better get on the dance floor, drop it like it was a Cadillac. What you talking about cutting the slack? Girl, you better bend that back. Where my girls roll deep in the club. Can't wait to hit the bar and get effed up. For my dogs who got more than 100 bucks. Can't wait to freak one of those big old bugs. Before we start to turn it out, you must learn to crunk out. Before we start to turn it out, you must first begin to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out.
Now drop. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now drop. If you got the fattest ass on the block, now drop. Let a nigga see the coochie pop, now drop. Do the snake, do the freak, do the wop, now drop. Yo, don't stop. Real eyes, down south thighs, now drop. Waistline, 5, 6, 7, now drop. One time, all in together, now drop. Yo, don't stop.
Get your freak on, the club be gone. We ain't put the album out, niggas got they leak on. I done went up in the club, seen a hoe with a thong. Ain't her good at first, she was singing the song. Shorty rockin' Donna, she was pushing and popping. Red bone with a bop, she was stopping and dropping. Girl, it's the part of the song when you need be snaking and whopping. Yeah, ho, Mag made the song. Y'all niggas still popping and locking. He ain't no zone and he ain't the white girl. I ain't turbo, rocking the damn curl. Watch Mag ho, I'ma break it down slow.